Hi friends, welcome to Notice Writing. It is specifically designed for class 10, 11, 12 and undergraduate programs. So please subscribe and like and please watch it. So first we have to know what is notice writing. So notice writing, it is a formal means of communication in too many persons as a group of person. It introduces a piece of information to a too many group of peoples, and it is written by a head person on a specific point with a specific date, venue and time mentioned. It is written in a schools, offices, hospitals and other places. It is an important part to know the information with date, time and venue. So it can be written in passive voice and within a box. Word limit is 40-50 words and information must be clear, should not cause any misunderstanding and confusion. Catchy, appealing, it means attract attention at once, like that heading we have to give bold letter catchy slogan and striking words phrases. No personal pronoun, short but grammatical accurate sentences should be used during notice writing. We have to confirm it that during notice writing we should use proper grammatical words, bold letters and catchy headings, and the word limit is 40-50 words only. So this is one. Next is important content. So name of the organization which is issuing the notice, the title, notice has been written in capital letters only, and then the heading, that what, for what you are writing the notice, for a blood donation camp and for what. So what is the heading, you have to write in catchy words. Then the date of the notice, what the date is that day, and the body of the notice, and then writer sign name in capitals or his designation, what his designation is and who is writing the notice. So we are going to discuss about types of notice. So there are two ways of writing a notice. First one is paragraph tag and second one is specific point ways. So what is paragraph tag? Writing the notice into paragraph is a way writing notice into para when the place and time date already known by others. This type of notice written in school offices and unformatted situations. This was mainly written in school because already student knows this is our school auditorium, place and what is the time. Let's move to second one. So second is specific point ways. It is a writing technique approached by professionals, usually used in business, hospitals, policy programs, and today's most famous. In this, the time, date, venue is written by point to point and described by point to point. Why? Because in this, it is important. If someone don't know the time, date, and venue, he can lost the opportunity to attain the program or to attain that policy or award. So that's why it is too much important. So let's we go to format with examples, the two ways, formats and examples. So let's move to paragraph tag format. So first we have to create a box, then leave one line, then write the name of the organization, institute or office like Shri Vishwadevi Vidyalaya, and then leave one line and then write notice in capital letters. Then in left side you have to write date, and then you have to write the topic, heading or subject like blood donation, singing competition, debate competition, and then the whole content body with date, venue and time. And then at last in left side you have to write signature, name and designation. And then you have once again leave one line and then create the box once again, close the box, and this type the paragraph tag notice format. And this type you have to return if you have to write any notice in paragraph tag. So let's move to another. So let's move to example. Here one box is created and then you have to leave one line and write in bold and capital letters the school name with the district name. You don't have to write full address. Like here in bold letters the written St. Xavier Public School, Kamadali. And then you have to leave one line and write the notice in capital letters. And then once again leave one line. In the left side of the page you have to write the date, like here has been written 26 January 2019. and then leave one line in the middle of the box. You have to write the topic, the subject, like the inter school fancy dress competition, and then you have to leave one line, and with left side you have to justify the same equal gap from both the sides and write in middle, like an inter school fancy dress competition is being organized on 12 February at Tagore Theatre. Those willing to take part in the items which our school will be presenting should come for selection on 1st February 2019 at 12:30 p.m. in the Assembly Hall. Only class 6 to 12 students are eligible. Dresses should be arranged by the participants. This is contained with 2 marks. You have to mention the date, time, and venue, especially here. And the first line, the same for every notice. An inter-school competition is be going to organize. You have to only change the name, date, and time. The content would be same for all the notices. You can get good marks if you write like that. Then once again, after 9 and write the designation like Vandita, Cultural Secretary. This is 1 mark. You have to write like this, so you got full marks. So I am giving you one question, presenting you a question. By this question, you practice in the same way how I explain you. If you write in the same way, you can get good marks in board examination, also in your both 11th, 12th and undergraduate programs. If you like the video, you can share it, like it, and subscribe my channel please if you want more video like this. And if you want to know new technique of notice writing, the second one I have described in the video, the specific point ways, then subscribe my channel and play the next video.